Welcome to the RMail video short series on the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook settings. The RMail app for Microsoft Outlook allows you to send emails using the RMail track improve, encrypt, e-sign, file share, and other features. This video, we will review the RMail Recommends settings in the RMail app for Microsoft Outlook. The RMail Recommends feature uses predictive technologies at the point of sending to recommend or require users to send an otherwise standard email with RMail protections. When the Outlook Send button is pressed and the RMail app detects certain configurable criteria in one or more components of the message, the RMail Recommends pop-up will appear, reminding the user to use the RMail service or require its use. To view the settings, you have two options. From the inbox, press File, then RMail Settings. The second option is from the Feature dialog box. Press the Settings button. The way the RMail Recommends feature works is when the RMail app detects certain configurable criteria in one or more components of the message, the RMail Recommends pop-up will appear. In this case, when the Send button is pressed, RMail recommends to encrypt the message using the RMail transmission encryption feature. The user can send using the encryption feature by pressing OK, or opt to send as a regular email with the radio button, or they may disable or snooze the option for different periods of time. The settings for the RMail Recommends service are as follows. The first is to opt in by checking which feature or features you'd like to enable the RMail Recommends feature to look for: track improve, encrypt, e-sign, or side note. The second section is to always send an email using the RMail service when sent to certain addresses or domains. To set this up, the first is to select what RMail feature you'd like the email to go as, and the second is to put an address or domain and add it. Once this is complete, any email sent to, in this case, jim@gmail.com will automatically be sent encrypted using the RMail encryption transmission method. Please note, your administrator has the ability to override the settings in the app. If the setting is not behaving as expected, please contact your administrator. Be sure to watch other RMail videos to learn more. Thank you.